In the back of my shop is an old refrigerator that my grandfather owned. We are going to turn it into a smoker. First thing we did was remove all this plastic flashing from around the door. And we've already started to remove the rubber seal from around the door. Next to go is the plastic. And as you can see, we have to take all these screws out. Everything inside is metal. Walls are metal. We will be removing a lot of that as well. Refrigeration is out. Electrical is out. We're ready to start putting this thing back together. Got a lot of holes to fill in. Somehow we got to make a firebox right down there. A lot of people make pellet grills out of these. I want real wood burning barbecue pit.